Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the AP Biology exam. First, let's understand the exam structure. The exam is 3 hours and 15 minutes long, divided into 2 sections. Section 1 has 60 multiple-choice questions, and Section 2 contains 6 free-response questions. Knowing this format is your first step towards success. We'll cover strategies for both question types to maximize your score. Next, let's dive into content review. The AP Biology curriculum is built around 6 big ideas: evolution, cellular processes, energy, information, interactions, and regulation. Dedicate time to understanding these core concepts deeply. Use a good review book and online resources to supplement your class notes. Creating flashcards for important terms and processes will also significantly aid your memory retention. Now, let's talk about practice. The AP Biology exam requires not just knowledge, but also the ability to apply it. Work through past free-response questions, paying close attention to the scoring rubrics. Practice multiple-choice questions under timed conditions to build speed and accuracy. Regularly reviewing your incorrect answers will highlight areas where you need more focus. Finally, here are some crucial exam day tips. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before and eat a nutritious breakfast. During the exam, read all instructions thoroughly and manage your time wisely. For multiple-choice questions, answer every single one, as there is no penalty for incorrect guesses. Stay calm and confident. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.